Nota Bene version 14 introduces Popup Orbis, the newest research tool in the Nota Bene suite of applications. This innovative tool gives instant automatic access to all types of qualitative data on the user's computer. Of particular interest for researchers is the use of Popup Orbis to query and retrieve text-intensive datasets, whether free-form or structured, bibliographic and non-bibliographic. The data can consist of any text, ranging from personal jottings to the rich and complex text of research sources such as published or archival materials. Queries can be simple or complex, and in all cases, relationships are revealed and the research is advanced. Finally, convenient tools incorporate and format findings into the user's working documents. Popup Orbis conducts inquiries into users' collections of text-intensive research data, which Nota Bene calls text spaces. With the aid of Boolean operators, sophisticated relationships within the texts are revealed. Popup Orbis automatically constructs several text spaces of searchable documents. Most impressively, absolutely no user input is involved in constructing these text spaces, which are free form and don't require data entry or the construction of variables. Findings resulting from search inquiries are presented within the paragraphs in which they occur, thereby giving results a richer context. In addition to automatic creation of the included text spaces, Popup Orbis also searches text spaces that users may have customized for their own needs. Among the automatically created text spaces is the one with the contents of the 100 most recently edited files. Popup Orbis provides users with the means to draw consequential insights from research data. Let's take a look. Click on Tools, Popup Orbis. A drop-down list presents all built-in text spaces, ready for indexing, along with any text spaces previously created and customized by the user. Among the included text spaces are the contents of files involving the component files of a manuscript involving multiple chapters or sections, such as chapters in a thesis, doctoral dissertation, or book. Files in the current folder of an open file on screen, the current folder and subfolders, IBIDIM note-taking files, IBIDIM linked PDF files, and more. Here, the selected text space, which involves files in the current folder, are indexing the contents of its 337 files in a flash. The results of a search conducted on a selected text space are visible in the pane below, in the preview pane, and then with one click, the file will open for further exploration. Popup Orbis provides both an enriched in-file search along with the exceptional powers of content search and retrieval of Orbis text spaces. Click on the Standard Search button to conduct a search within the current open file. The search string is presented on a list and highlighted in the document. Now click on the Orbis Search button to search across files for the selected text space. The selected results of a search are presented in context, that is, surrounded by the text in their respective paragraphs. Search results are easily incorporated into the user's working document. Click on the arrow button at the top of the preview pane to copy the entire paragraph. Alternatively, highlight a segment of the selected search results and press Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to copy and paste. Here you see that when search results that are copied into the user's document contain citations, the word processor and IBIDIM go to work immediately to format citations according to the document's academic style. Retrieve results of Popup Orbis searches easily. Select the search result and then click on the Lens button, and note that users of Orbis Plus can also search, find, and retrieve files in all major file formats, including PDF, docx, doc, RTF, and others. Here we show the search results found in a PDF document, which is then opened. When search results involve a Nota Bene note-taking file, Popup Orbis displays the IBIDIM record showing the bibliographic data source. Beyond its powerful and sophisticated search engine, Popup Orbis delivers additional important research functions. Use Popup Orbis to insert tags throughout documents with user-defined Orbis special keywords. These vital tools are important to summarize a passage's central ideas or concepts. Use the built-in synonym file to create headwords and associated terms. Searching synonym headwords expands significantly the power of searches, adding sophistication and facilitating content analysis. An in-depth Orbis tutorial explores these and other capabilities. As you can see here, Popup Orbis is designed in the Nota Bene tradition to elevate the qualitative research experience and to facilitate analysis and writing. It is closely integrated into the Nota Bene suite of applications, and it offers guidance all along the way.